today I'm going to be putting in these seat jackers for my front seats. It's going to help angle the front seat backwards a little more. All you're going to need is a 14 mil, a 1/2 inch socket, regular ratchet, maybe your extension, and a flathead screwdriver. First thing you're going to want to do is come back here to these covers. Just with your flathead, you can pry them kind of up. This one I've already done, so I'll just pull it off. And on this one, I'll show you, just kind of pop it under there, pry up and towards you, pull it out, and then that gives you access to these two 14s. Now using your 14 millimeter ratchet wrench, in my case I have an impact, so I'll cheat, I'll use that. Slack these off. You don't have to take them out all the way just yet. Just keep them tight in there, a couple of threads. Now we're in the front of the vehicle. As you can see, there's one more 14 here, and the final one up over here. Again, take these off, and on the front here, we will take them out completely, because this is where the seat jackers will sit. But once you have both your bolts removed, you can tilt the seat backwards, as so, and you can slide in these seat jackers. There's these little guide pins right here. They fit into a hole. You'll be able to see it on the top. Just line up that pin on the top, and you can rest your seat back down, just for now. Now with your seat propped up out of the way, and your seat jackers in place using the guide pins here, and what you're going to want to do is take the supplied 1/2 inch bolts and just thread them in there like so, into the OEM mounting location, not the new location where the OEM bolts will fit in. Alright, once you have your 1/2 inch bolts secured down all the way, you can go ahead and reinsert your OEM 14 millimeter bolts that you took out of your floor in the second step. Okay, finally, you can come back to the rear of your truck and just re-secure these two bolts that we loosened initially. Just take your covers, kind of finagle them back on there. One hand here. Just one and two. There you have it. Nice, quick, easy install. Some seat jackers on my 2014 Tacoma. I can already see the seating angle is much more laid back, which should be nicer for these longer drives. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and good luck.